This is El Gezira Gardens. It's a hotel. But they actually have done a lovely job of the gardens here. There's all sorts of interesting things to look at. Look at all this. Fascinated actually by it. Done a really nice job. That cat's either very fat or it's pregnant. I think it's pregnant. Big scarab. Very nice job. Not renowned for being great gardeners, to be honest. Huge scarab. And pull through there. It's actually very nice. It's the nicest garden I think I've seen since I've been here. Yeah. Frangipani. It's a really nice garden.
Nice.
Yeah, very nice.